in a galaxy not so far away. Welcome back, market explorers. I'm your host, and this is Will of the Market. Today, we're shining the spotlight on Marvell technology, a chipmaker quietly powering data centers and AI. Think of it as the underrated character ready for a breakout scene. Marvell, headquartered in Santa Clara, California, is a fabless semiconductor company founded in 1995. They design chips, not make them, including ASICs, DPUs, that's data processing units, networking and storage controllers. But here's where it gets exciting. Marvell isn't just building chips, it's building connections. They've become a trusted partner for big players like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, delivering custom AI-focused silicon. That's like going from sidekick to main character. Marvell is part of what some call the AI triad, alongside NVIDIA and Broadcom. NVIDIA brings the GPUs, Broadcom offers custom silicon for hyperscalers, and Marvell handles connectivity and custom chips, making sure data flows smoothly in AI environments. Think of them as the logistics expert making sure the Avengers gear gets to the battlefield on time. Let's talk growth. In Q1 of fiscal 2026, Marvell posted a record $1.895 billion in revenue, up 63% year-over-year. Data center sales, driven by cloud demand, surged 76%. Those numbers are real blockbuster material. Marvell also raised its total addressable market for custom AI chips to $55 billion by 2028, up from $43 billion previously, and they're aiming to nab 20% of that slice. Let me break it down, friends. Style. Pros. Strong AI and data center momentum, big hyperscalers on board. Custom IP and connectivity expertise, a one-stop shop. Attractive valuation, lower P/E than NVIDIA or Broadcom. Cons. Profitability lag, Marvell still posts net losses. Valuation premium on sales, price-to-sales ratio approximately 9.9 times, while peers average 4.6 times to 4.8 times. Geopolitical exposure, China restrictions still a risk factor. So what's the verdict? Marvell is small now, but growing fast, like Spider-Man predicting he'll be the next big Avenger. Big tech firms want cheaper, custom AI chips. NVIDIA still dominates, but companies want alternatives. That's where Marvell shines. To wrap up, Marvell is not the flashy star like NVIDIA, but it's quietly building the foundations for the AI era. It's a value-compelling growth play, if you're comfortable with the risks. So as one popular line goes, I'm ready. Ready to follow Marvell's next move? Drop a comment. Should Marvell be the next chip stock you spotlight in your portfolio? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights right here on Will of the Market.